Hey, it's Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, A Magic with Gadgets. I'm also the same Sam that has got her Multicooker Cooking Guide on pre-order and with a massive 25% off right now at Waterstones, right through till Thursday. I mean, isn't that amazing? Our time and temp guide, our previous one, was never on sale. You know, it was always at its standard price. So this is going to be great for your pre-orders. So it means instead of paying £4.99 for it, you'll pay £3.74 instead, which I think is brilliant for a pre-order deal. So I'm going to pop over to my laptop and show you the deal close up, and then you can check it out and I can explain more about the kitchen gadgets that's featured in it. So laptop on, and this is the Multicooker Cooking Guide I'm talking about. I do have a copy in the car right now, but the car's parked quite a way away from the apartment, so it's just easier for me to bring it up in PDF for you. So it's the complete Multicooker Cooking Guide that's on the deal. And remember, this is the one that teaches you the time and temps for dehydrating, grill, steam roast, steam air fry, pressure cook, and of course air fry. It's our brand new one, following on from our air fry one, and it's just a beautiful little guide that is perfect for teaching you how to use a multi-cooker. I mean, it goes into great detail for each setting, and it's just perfect for everyday use using yours. And of course, we also have our air fry cooking guide and our 2 air fryer books if you're more into air frying. And of course, the multi-cooker guide will also work for you if you have an air fryer that dehydrates, grills, and then of course you can use normal air fry buttons. If you've got an instant pot, you can also use the pressure cook and steam. And then if you've got the Ninja Foodie like we have, you can steam roast, steam air fry, steam, dehydrate, do them all, basically. So let's check out this deal, shall we, over at Waterstones. So if you head over to Waterstones, this link will be in the description of the video. It will take you to the page for the complete multi-cooker cooking guide, and the normal price on Waterstones is £4.99. But note, it's free UK delivery on orders over £25, otherwise it's £2.99. So, how do you get that price down? You can also order some of our other cookbooks at the same time. And then you want to press pre-order. And now it's added it to the basket. And then if you wanted to do that and save on postage and get some more of our books, simply click on our author's name, and you can also add these to your basket as well. So that was book 1, which teaches you the basics of the air fryer. This shows you how to cook whether or not you have a dual, a basket air fryer or an air fryer oven, and that's our original air fryer cooking guide. So let's say you add this to your basket, it'll help save you on postage if you wanted to. And then if you go to your basket, remember the coupon code is summer 25, so you need to make sure you put this in because otherwise it won't. It is coming up at my end. Please note this item can only be delivered to a UK address, and that's because we're currently on holiday in Germany. But of course, it's open to UK people only. So then once you've done that, it'll give you the option of adding in a coupon code. So our coupon code is capitals summer 25. And then add that in. And then if you look now, it's knocked £1.25 off the order. So it's now £23.74. Or if you were just looking for it without the extra cookbook, then you can remove that one there. And then with the coupon code, it's, like I said, just £3.74. And then next you can proceed to delivery. and sort out your order. I mean, isn't that amazing to say that we've got 25% off at Waterstones? I've never been in a discount at Waterstones before, so that is just amazing. And of course, this Multicooker Cooking Guide is going to help you so much in the time and temps for learning how to use the Ninja Foodie, the Ninja Speedy. You can use it for your air fryer, your Instant Pot. It just uses so many different gadgets, and it's just brilliant for your everyday cooking and learning the cooking times of your favourite foods. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.